Hey everyone, welcome back to Writing Practices. Today I'm going to show you how to write an authorization letter to claim money. This type of letter is useful when you can't personally collect money yourself and you need to authorize someone else to do it for you. I'll walk you through the steps to make sure your letter is professional, clear, and gets the job done. So let's dive in. First up, at the top of your letter, you'll want to include your contact information. This makes it easy for the recipient to know who the letter is coming from. Start by typing your full name, followed by your address, phone number, and email address. All of this should be left aligned at the top of the page. Next, skip a line and write the date. This is important to show when the letter was written. Make sure to place it below your contact info, but still on the left side of the page. The format should look like month, day, year, nice and simple. Now, let's move on to the recipient's details. You'll want to address this letter to the person or organization that's handling the money claim. Type to, then list the recipient's name, the company or organization's name, and their address. Again, keep everything left aligned for a neat and formal look. After that, we move to the greeting. You can keep this straightforward. Just type "Dear Recipient's Name." If you don't know their name, you can write something like "To whom it may concern," but it's always better to address someone directly if possible. Alright, now it's time to jump into the main part of the letter, the authorization itself. In this paragraph, you'll state that you are authorizing someone to claim the money on your behalf. You can say something like, "I, your name, hereby authorize authorized person's name to claim the sum of amount of money on my behalf from source or company name. Due to reason for not being able to claim personally, I am unable to collect the funds in person." Make sure to fill in the brackets with the appropriate names, amounts, and your reason for needing the help. After that, you'll want to add a sentence confirming that the authorized person will provide any necessary identification to collect the money. Something like, "Please allow authorized person's name to provide any necessary identification to facilitate the transaction." This just ensures the process goes smoothly for them when they present this letter. Now you should clarify that you take responsibility for the actions of the person you've authorized. You can simply say, "I confirm that I will be fully responsible for any actions taken by authorized person's name in relation to this authorization." This part makes it clear that you're giving permission, but you remain accountable for anything that happens as a result. Once you've written the body of your letter, it's time to wrap things up. A quick thank you line shows appreciation for their help. You can say, "Thank you for your assistance in this matter. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address." This leaves the door open for any further communication and makes it easy for them to reach out if they need to. Now, for the final step, sign off with "Sincerely," followed by your signature and your printed name. Leave some space above your name so you can sign the letter by hand if needed. If the organization requires the authorized person's details too, you'll include their information at the bottom. List their full name, address, and phone number, just like you did at the top for yourself. And there you have it. You've just written a professional authorization letter to claim money. This format is clean, straightforward, and ensures that whoever is handling the transaction knows exactly what to do.